In this Winwinbot review, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about the software. If you have any questions, please comment them down below, and I'll also be sure to leave a discounted link down there so you can always get your money's worth for Winwinbot. Winwinbot is a software that lets you launch your own online course with an interactive chatbot to remote students. This is what you should see once you've actually gone ahead and created your account or logged in. When you've created your account, it should ask you some questions to fill in, which we have already done. What you want to go ahead and do is just fill them in, and then you can go ahead and come onto this main dashboard page. In this review, I'm going to quickly go over each feature, and then throughout the review I'm going to dive deeper into each feature. So there you go, this is the main home page. All the way in the top left hand corner up here there is the Winwinbot logo. That actually is clickable like most softwares are, and if you click that it should take you to the main page. To the right of that you can see that there is the My Chatbots page, and then to the right of that you have the Online Consultant. The My Chatbots page is where you can actually see your chatbots, and then the Online Consultant is self-explanatory. It is an online consultant. All the way to the right of that on this top hand banner still, you can see you have your account right there. You can see how many days you have left if you're running on the free trial like I am. I'm currently on the free trial. And then once that is over, you'd be able to upgrade here on the top right. If you click on this little down arrow right here to the right of that, you can see that it brings your settings, apps, and you can log out if you wish to do so. So that's pretty much it for that top bar. Right below that you can see here you can create a new chatbot. It all starts here. You can share it to any one of these social media platforms if you wish. To the right of that you can subscribe to their Telegram bot if you want to, and you get access to examples of bot mechanics, tips and best practices, and news and updates. All you'd want to do for that is just go ahead and click this button right here, Open Chatbot. Moving on down you can see there is a step-by-step tutorials for creating chatbots. If you don't know what to do, you can go ahead and see these tutorials. You've got an online course as a chatbot, paid community/membership, customer support feedback bot, mailing list in Messenger, a quiz, test or survey, recruitment and training bot, and then creating a bot on behalf of your client. So that's pretty much it for the main page. There's not too much going on, and if you want to go ahead and create a new chatbot you can click on this, which is what we are going to do now. So when you go ahead and click on that, once you've clicked on that it should take you to this page where you can have or select these types of platforms. You've got this one here which I don't know, then you've got Messenger, Facebook and Instagram. I'm just going to choose a random one of these, but you guys can choose whichever one you want to actually select your platform for and which one you want to create your chatbot for. I'm just going to go with Messenger as a random one, and there you go. Once you've clicked on it, it should take me to the next page. This should ask how would you like to create a chatbot. You can either create it yourself or even base it on a template. If you go ahead and create it yourself, you should have a new bot within 15 minutes. Right here it gives you a little timeline of how your bot will be created. 2 minutes, come up with a name, description and bot pick. 10 minutes, register the bot in the messenger according to the instructions. And then 3 minutes, set up a welcome message in the bot to respond to your new subscribers. And there you go, the bot should be configured once you've been through all of that. To the right of that up here, based on the template, if you click on that, it should show you the process of making one based on a ready-made template. If someone shares their chatbot template with you, you can enter a unique code for this template and get a copy of the bot in your account in one click. 1 minute, choose a bot template. 10 minutes, register the bot in the messenger according to the instructions, and then it should be ready by doing that. We're going to go ahead and create one ourselves so we can run through each feature rather than on a template. So once you want to go ahead and create one yourself, you just got to click down here in the bottom left, create a chatbot now. Once you've clicked that, you should go up on this page, creating a Viber bot. It should say a setup, and then next would be token, greeting, and then you should have your bot created. In this bot setup, we have the image, the name, and the description. I'm going to go ahead and fill in this information, and then I will be back. So there you go, I went ahead and actually put in a little bot pic. I just went ahead and searched up on Google a bot and then clicked on any random robot looking image, and then I've added that into my bot. Obviously you can pick whatever image you want and whatever correlates with what you're creating the chatbot for. However, I just went with a random one since I'm not actually making it for anything. Next you can go ahead and name your bot. I'm going to go ahead and name it review since we are doing a review. And then for description, you can have a little description like the best bot for selling handcrafts for the new year. I'm going to go ahead and just put the best bot for reviews, and there you go, it should have all of the information done. Down here you can also have the bot's language. Right now it's on English US. I'm going to go ahead and change that to English EU. The bot's language in which it will communicate can be changed in the settings if you want to go ahead and change it again. Next, to carry on further, you can go ahead and click this further button right here, and once you click that, it should now create your little bot. As you can see, it has the name of the bot, hi I'm reviews, and you can go ahead and reply back to it, and now you're on the page for creating a token for a review. This is the token setup page. Install the Viber app on your smartphone if you don't have it, then go to the site for Viber partners using the link partner.viber.com, register and create a new bot there to get a token. I can't actually go ahead and install the app on my phone right now and get the bot token. However, you can go ahead and do that and get your bot token, and pretty much then just add a greeting for your bot, and then your new bot should be created, and that's pretty much it for the Viber bot. So back at the beginning, if you want to go ahead and go through this area again, once you've created your bot, you should go onto my chatbots, and you should have your bots right here. However, we don't have one because we didn't actually finish making one, so we don't have our bots there. If you like this software and you want to go ahead and upgrade it and pay for it, all you'd have to do is click on this little blue link right here, and it should take you to this page. This is where you can go ahead and connect it to a standard or a pro upgrade, and it should say your current subscription, once you've done that, is one of these. So I'm going to go ahead and see if we can create another chatbot, just to see if we can run through the features of the other areas as well. If you want to go ahead and go with this one all the way to the left hand side, if you click that, it should take you to the same section as the messenger one. You can create a bot yourself or even create one based on a template, and it should be within the same time frames. If you go back and back on that, for the Facebook and Instagram one, all you have to go ahead and do is actually log in to either Facebook or Instagram, which is pretty easy for going ahead and creating a bot. Then after that, you can go ahead and actually create a bot, and it should link it to your Facebook and Instagram. Going back to this, that's pretty much all there is. There's not many other social media platforms, which isn't really a great feature. However, if you want a chatbot for these ones, then it does feature that, and it's pretty much all there is to know about the Winwinbot software. And there you go, that is it for the Winwinbot software. That's pretty much all there is to know, like I just said. And there's a couple of cool features on this, and there's a couple of bad features that kind of bring the review down. Overall, I do think it is a good software, and I would actually use a few features myself if I was going to go ahead and create a chatbot. A few features I like is how easy and simplistic it is. It takes as little as 15 minutes or even as little as 10 minutes based on a template, and if you want to go ahead and create your own, you can do that as well. There are the features that I like about this software. One feature I don't like is how there's only 4 types of medias that you can create a bot for. I think Winwinbot should actually add more for that. I also don't like how you have to go ahead and install the app to go ahead and create your bot, but if you want to go ahead and do that and you're fine with it, then this is a good software for you. Would I recommend this to anyone? Yes, I would. Again, anyone who has a niche for any of these medias and wants to create a chatbot for it, Winwinbot is probably the easiest software to do that for. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.